Here is your vocabulary for the week. So both of these documents will be in Schoology for you to print off if you need them. You'll definitely need to print off this worksheet so that you can fill it out and then take a picture and upload to submit it. The vocabulary words are right here. I've also created a list of definitions for your reference. So it says some words are useful to know because they tell about school. So let's read these sentences and then go over their definition so you understand what they mean. Teachers may assign or give out homework. So on our definition list, it says assign means to require someone to do a particular task. So if I assign you something on Schoology, you need to complete that task. Next word is display. When you display a picture, you show it to others. So display means to put something where people can see it. The next word is elementary. An elementary school is for students ages 5 to 12. So we go find the word elementary. And in this context, we're talking about school. So we're saying elementary is a school in the U.S. for young children. Grade. Each grade in school has a different level of work. So now we're looking at grade. And again, in this context, we're saying that grade is a level of study that is completed by a student during 1 year. So you are in grade 12. Partner. A partner is someone you work for or play with. So we go find the word partner, someone who participates in an activity or game with another person. You may have had a partner in school before and you worked on a project. Next word is primary. The primary grades are the first 3 grades in school. On our definition list, we say that primary means happening or coming first. So if primary grades are the first grades of school. A project. So project, it says a project is an activity or plan that you work on. Same thing over here, project, a task or problem in school that requires careful work over a long period of time. I'm sure you have had many school projects before. A subject is a course you study in school, such as reading or science. The definition over here is very much the same. Subject, an area of knowledge that is studied in school. So our subject in our class is English, where we go over reading and writing. The next word is substitute. When your teacher is sick, you have a substitute. So our definition, substitute is a person or a thing that takes place of someone or something else. Similar to the word alternative that we learned last week. Team. A team is a group of people who work or play together. Exact same definition over here. Team, a group of people who work together. So now we've gone over the definitions. I'm going to read through each one of these blanks. You might want to push pause on the video that you're watching right now to pause the video, find the right word and put it in the blank, and then you can push play again and we'll kind of work through the worksheet together as best we can through this video. So it says use what you know. So look over those definitions and now you know the definitions. Use what you know. Write the best vocabulary word to complete each sentence. So the first one is math is Mary's favorite. Which word is going to make the most sense here? Is it assign, primary, display, project, elementary, subject, grade, substitute, partner, or team? So math is Mary's favorite. Okay, number 2. On family night, the students blank their work in the classroom. So do they assign their work, primary their work, display their work, project their work, elementary their work, subject their work, grade their work, substitute their work, partner their work, or team their work in the classroom? Number 3. Neva is in 3rd. Assign, primary, display, project, elementary, subject, grade, substitute, partner, or team. Number 4, choose a blank and take turns reading aloud. Choose an assign and take turns reading aloud. Choose a primary and take turns reading aloud. Choose a display and take turns reading aloud. Choose a project and take turns reading aloud. Choose an elementary and take turns reading aloud. Choose a subject and take turns reading aloud. Choose a grade and take turns reading aloud. Choose a substitute and take turns reading aloud. Choose a partner and take turns reading aloud. Or choose a team and take turns reading aloud, which makes sense. Number 5. This fall, the class will do a assign on harvest, primary on harvest, display on harvest, project on harvest, elementary on harvest, subject on harvest, grade on harvest, substitute, partner, or team on harvest. What is the class going to do about harvests? Number 6, what chapter did the teacher blank us? What did the teacher blank us? Assign, primary, display, project, elementary, subject, grade, substitute, partner, or team? Which one makes the most sense? Number 7, our blank did not score many points. Was it your assign, primary, display, project, elementary, subject, grade, substitute, partner, or team did not score many points? Number 8, this town has 2 blank schools. What kind of schools does the town have? Number 9, Mom teaches a blank grade of 7-year-olds. Is it an assigned grade of 7-year-olds, a primary grade of 7-year-olds, a display grade of 7-year-olds, a project grade of 7-year-olds, an elementary grade of 7-year-olds, a subject grade of 7-year-olds, a grade of 7-year-olds, a substitute grade of 7-year-olds, a partner grade of 7-year-olds, or a team grade of 7-year-olds? Remember, you can pause this video as we go. And lastly, number 10, Mr. Lewis has a cold, so we had a blank today. If your teacher had a cold, what would you have in that classroom to help teach? Is it an assign today, a primary today, a display today, project today, elementary today, subject, grade, a substitute, a partner, or a team? Let me know if you have any questions and I can help you out throughout the week.